What is blockchain? How is transforming property, healthcare, voting, and more? Welcome to a world where buying a house, visiting the doctor, casting a vote, and even signing a contract are revolutionized. Imagine a technology so powerful that it ensures your home cannot be unlawfully taken away. Your medical records are never lost or tampered with. Your vote counts in an indisputable election, and every product you buy can be traced back to its source for utmost transparency. This isn't the plot of a futuristic movie, this is blockchain technology in action today. Join us as we dive deep into how blockchain isn't just transforming money, but reshaping our legal systems, healthcare, electoral processes, and global supply chains. Subscribe now and embark on a journey through real-life scenarios where blockchain stands as a pillar of trust and security. Let's explore this cutting-edge technology together and discover how it's already becoming a fundamental part of our everyday lives. Blockchain as a digital notebook. Imagine blockchain as a digital notebook that a whole community share. Whenever someone in this community, let's say, lends a book or some money to a friend, everyone writes it down in their copy of the notebook. This way, there's a permanent record of who owns what and who owes whom, ensuring that everyone's on the same page, quite literally. The chain of blocks explained. Think of this notebook as having numerous pages. Each page is like a block, and it can only hold a certain number of transactions. When a page is full, it's sealed and stapled to the previous page. Here's where it gets interesting. Each new page has a summary of the last page written at the top, linking them together. This series of pages forms a chain of blocks, or a blockchain. The entire chain is held together not just by staples, but by these references that make the pages inseparable without noticeable tampering. Why can't we just erase entries? Why is this notebook so hard to mess with? It's like a puzzle that spans across all the pages. If you wanted to change a transaction on one page, you'd need to solve the puzzle on that page and every page that comes after it, because they all contain hints from the previous page. But here's the kicker. Everyone in your community has their own identical copy of the notebook. So, if you change something in your copy, you'd have to change it in everyone else's copies at the exact same moment without anyone noticing. Sounds impossible, right? That's what makes blockchain incredibly secure. The power of consensus. In blockchain, there's no head of the community who decides what's written in the notebook. Instead, everyone in the community agrees on a common set of rules for writing in the notebook. Whenever a new page is added, everyone checks it against the rules before adding it to their own copy. This process is called consensus, and it ensures that every copy of the digital notebook is the same across the entire community. Beyond money. Blockchain in real-world applications 1. Property ownership. Think of blockchain as the ultimate City Hall records book. When you buy a house, this transaction is like getting a page in that book. But unlike a regular records book that could be altered, lost, or destroyed, this blockchain City Hall book is virtually indestructible and open for anyone to verify, but impossible for anyone to tamper with. Every time a property changes hands, it's like a new entry is made on a fresh page, linked securely to the previous owner's page, ensuring a clear, tamper-proof history of ownership. 2. Medical histories. Now, imagine if your medical records were stored like recipes in a community cookbook, where each recipe is your health record updated continuously by certified doctors. With blockchain, this cookbook is no longer held in a single hospital's database, but is distributed across a network of healthcare providers. Every time you visit the doctor, a new recipe is added, ensuring that your medical history is securely written and updated. No lost files, no unauthorized changes, just a complete, immutable history of your health accessible by any doctor you authorize, improving care and ensuring privacy. 3. Voting systems. Consider the process of voting like dropping a sealed vote into a transparent, yet secure box. In traditional voting, once the paper is in the box, you must trust it's counted correctly. But what if this box was a blockchain? Each vote would be like a digital token, dropped into a virtual box that everyone can see, but no one can tamper with. The tokens can't be changed, removed, or added without consensus from everyone watching. This ensures every vote is counted, the process is transparent, and the results are indisputable, leading to fairer and more secure elections. 4. Supply chain transparency. Picture blockchain as a digital train, where each car is a step in the supply chain of a product, from manufacturing to delivery. Each car or block in the chain contains information about the product at each stage: where it was made, what materials were used, who handled it, and how it was transported. Consumers can see this train anytime to verify the authenticity and ethical sourcing of products, like ensuring a diamond wasn't sourced from conflict zones or verifying that organic produce is indeed organic. This transparency builds trust and accountability from manufacturers to consumers. 5. Legal contracts. Imagine blockchain as a notary public that never sleeps. Every contract executed on the blockchain is like a document stamped by this notary, ensuring it is sealed and unalterable. Whether it's a rental agreement, a will, or a business contract, each is written into a block, making disputes over what was agreed nearly impossible. This digital notary makes legal proceedings smoother and less prone to fraud, reducing the need for intermediaries and making legal agreements more straightforward and secure. If today's journey through the realms of property ownership, healthcare, voting integrity, supply chain transparency, and legal contracts has opened your eyes to the potential of blockchain, please like and subscribe. It really helps the channel, and I really appreciate it.